Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to open Firstrade account absolutely free. So let's start as a demonstration how to create and how to use it. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new Google tab and just type here Firstrade, enter. So first link is display here. Firstrade is a discount broking that provides self. So first link is display here. You just simply click here. Look at this Firstrade account like available on Apple Store and Android Store. One of the best application for the trading perspective, like a Firstrade compared to other application. That one is a zero. Everything is a zero. No commission, no contract fees, option trading, no hidden fees. That one is amazing. Open new account here, simply click here. So I simply select here which country you are located. Accordingly you select your mobile number here. Number of countries are available, so I simply select on India and then continue here or get verification code. So I am receiving one SMS on my mobile. Wait couple of seconds. Receive one OTP. So simply I add here 6347 and then continue. I am citizen in India. So which country you are belonging, you select your country. Same India, date of birth and next. Now you need to upload your passport here, front size and passport back size. So simply I select on my passport photograph here. First one I select front page and then again I select last page. Successfully upload both page. Next, and then you add your date of birth here, foreign tax number, residence address of your original in India or other country. Type here your mobile number, your marital status. So I simply students here. Source of income, suppose parents or other parents. You can select whatever you want, like your employment status. I just select as a randomly demo perspective. Additional information, add trust contact of someone of your family or your colleague or your partner. Accordingly select and add, then continue. It's done. Annual income under the $25,000. Liquid net income 25 under the $25. Same. How much your investment experience, accordingly you select. I just select good. Invest objective cash or at least one. So growth, income always growth. Investment objective always I select growth and then next, and then create your user ID. So simply I create my user ID here, adding my password, one digit, one character and one special character. Create your PIN code here and next. So it's mandatory to add your signature here. Just provide your signature, electronic signature. So you just simply add your signature here using your keyboard. Understand? Submit the application. Congratulations, your application has been submitted successfully. My account number, this one. You copy this account number. Thank you for investing in US Firstrade. Your account application along with this has been submitted electronic. Please expected email within 2 or 3 days. Your account will be activated. It's very simple process to create account Firstrade platform and purchase some share, invest your money in US trading market. It's amazing. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.